Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this goddess braids using expression braiding hair. It's actually a crochet braid. So I'm going to be cutting one braiding hair into 3. Then after cutting that, I'm going to be picking the tip. The coils we are going to be using, I'm going to be using expression crochet coils also. You can actually DIY the coils yourself, but I won't be doing that. I'm going to be using already made coily hair. So you can see after I'm done cutting the expression into 3, I'll start picking. I'm going to be rubbing hair cream to this hair because we are not going to be dipping this hair into the hot water. We won't be doing that. So you can see now I use my Brazilian wool. I wrap it around on my clothing rack. After we are done doing that, I've already started making some off camera. So there is the coily hair I'm using. I'm just showing you guys. I'll put what the pattern of the coily hair looks like. I'll put it somewhere at the side here. So now you can see this part is very important, guys. This is where you are going to crochet the hair. If you don't twist before you braid, one, your crochet hook is going to stuck to the hair. So the roots won't be okay when you are done crocheting. So you need to twist before you start braiding. So as I start braiding, I'll add my coils. I don't really want a lot of coils. I don't want it. So I will just be bringing out only one strand of coils. Then I'll braid the second strand. I'll braid it down. You can see what I'm doing. I set the coils aside so that I won't braid it together. Then I keep braiding. So let's go again. Put the hair on your Brazilian wool you tie on the rack. Twist. Make sure you twist. Can you see this side, how the loops look like before you start braiding? After you braid, if you want to remove the coils, the 2 sides, you can. But me, I just want only one strand of coils because I don't want the hair to be over full. I'm going to be using this hair to achieve 2 hairstyles. The one hairstyle crochet on my hair, then the second I'm going to be using it to achieve a wig. So watch out for that video. So I'll show you guys again. Twist the hair before you start braiding. That is what is going to form the loop. Then section the hair into 3, start braiding. I think I achieved 80 strands of hair, so you can see how the loops look like. Now, this is what we are going to be using to achieve the coils back, because we already sectioned the hair, the coily hair, so we have to achieve back. I use Nivea mousse, water, oil sheen, and I use weave on oil. So we are going to have a perfect shine on the hair. So now let's spray the water. We're not going to be dipping this into the hot water. We won't be doing that. After I spray water, I'm going to use my hand to detangle the hair. Now, can you see? I'm showing you what the loop look like. This is what we have to achieve. Can you see the loop? Can you see? That is what it looks like. That is what we have to achieve. Now, I'll put the crochet into it. Can you see? Easily. It's not stocking in. Easily. Can you see? Easy to put inside. This is what we have to achieve. So now, I'm going to be putting it inside this fancy rope. What will I call it? So I think for each will I say for each pack I achieved 124, then I think 30 I achieved 2. So this is what they looks like. I can't wait to rock this hair. I can't wait to kind of put it on my hair to show you guys what it looks like. But without that, can you see? Yes, we have to save some coin. We have to do some DIY to save some coin. Can you see what this look like? Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to support me by clicking on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one. Please, 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 please subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of amazing video coming up. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.